There is some level of nervousness, there is some level of stress, there is some level of excitement.
Think of AppSumo like a flash deal site.
10 of AppSumo's most popular tools.
Some products were surprisingly useful. Interesting is how it benefits both sides.
The best number that they've gotten in 48 hours is
maybe 50 to 100 people in the next 48 hours.
last
1500 तो कर लेने चाहिए अपन को.
हमको लग रहा है हमारा नंबर ज़्यादा दे दिए क्या अब?
I think पहले भी उन लोग एक बार reach out किए थे, but उस समय we were not ready to go international.
अभी भी changes.
It's the hero narrative, right? Anything is a hero narrative. Always उसका crash आ गया. Then he has this almost enlightening, awakening moment.
$409 का purchase हुआ है.
I believe that everything I do in life overall, I only have, and this is my true belief system, I only have the right to doing. I don't have the right to the outcome. We've been working on this for the last like 3 to 4 months. अभी हो रहा है team, we just got इतना में डालेगा क्या कैमरा? Today is an extremely special day. आज हमारा बॉम्बे में एक लॉन्च है. लॉन्च तो इंटरनेट पे है, पर बॉम्बे हम जा रहे हैं फिजिकली. Of something called AppSumo. We've been working on this for the last 3 to 4 months, and I'll share more about AppSumo very shortly. So this trip that we are taking right now is somewhat काफी poetic trip है. 5 years back, 2019 में हम कैलकाटा से बॉम्बे गए थे, and बॉम्बे में we started expanding. We lived in a home office. I usually say 7 boys, 4 rats. The 11 of us built the company. It's almost poetic in the sense it's a one-stop to Bombay, and now we've come to a stage at TagMango that we've become one of the biggest players in the space that we're functioning. We're clocking close to 1,000 crores of creator earnings on the platform. Over 7,000 creators use the platform amongst almost every single top creator altogether. And now that we've created exceptional presence here in India, it's like a one-stop to Bombay and then international and taking India to the globe.
Before any launch that's there, I feel there is some level of nervousness that's there. I think Shawn Mendes ka quote hai which says, which was asked to Shawn Mendes, are you nervous when you go up on stage? So he said, I'm always nervous because nervous means you care. Airports में आने से तो एक introspection तो आ ही जाता है. You kind of feel philosophical about life altogether. When you're departing और लोग एक दूसरे को bye बोल रहे होते हैं, and it's the variety of human emotions from happiness to sadness to philosophy, someone who's lost, kids playing, couples kind of hand in hand, or they are fighting or whatever it is, right? So you see the variety of human emotions very visibly at airports. मेरे को तो हमेशा यही feeling आता है कि कितने लोग हैं दुनिया में, बाप रे बाप. आ गए बम्बई. क्या हाल है ब्रदर? अरे भाई क्या हाल है रे?
I think like talking about the team, one of the things that both Hassan and I we've been blessed with is the TagMango team has been exceptional. We've had exceptionally low attrition rates within the organization, and I think every single team member has like a very strong sense of agency. They really take ownership and they feel like TagMango is like their own child, their own baby, and then they work with that spirit.
Sorry. Call पे है. बाद में. I spoke with करता है ना, उसके साथ हम एक brainstorming call में गया था. They're also interested in mental health overall. They are interested in content as a distribution vehicle and more on the edutainment side only, and they are consumer. So I think it's a very good match overall, and they have the capital. They're investing into businesses as well. So I went on a brainstorming call and I said कि देखो मेरे को पैसा चाहिए इसके लिए. Without money it won't happen. तो बोला कुछ भेजो अपने, फिर एक और कॉल करते हैं. So बोला मैं एक 1-pager बना के भेजता है which can condense what I'm thinking the best way possible, and then we can get on a call again. So this is the 1-pager that I want to send him by today evening.
So you will just quickly explain me like what exactly this AppSumo is, how we're gonna cover it, and just a bit details about it.
In simpler terms, AppSumo is like Amazon. You understand Amazon, but for technology companies. And consumers can go ahead and find these technology companies the same way you go and find products on Amazon specifically. And there are all these businesses, technology companies specifically can be platforms like ours, could be a video editing app, could be AI tools, whatever technology companies especially that are SaaS, which is software as a service, or which is even consumer for that matter, that can list themselves so that they can show the product in front of a lot of people. So Amazon for technology companies is the simplest way to kind of understand in terms of what exactly it does.
Abhinav, over to you.
So I'll just give you a gist of it. So AppSumo is like a marketplace. ठीक है, जहाँ पे they have bunch of different toolkit SaaS product listed at very cheap price. We provide our product at very low cost, which we usually don't do at TagMango, and it's their job to market our product. So we could have maybe around 4,000, 5,000 users, and the goal for us is that we at least have US users inside our vicinity so that we can upsell our different products.
Yeah, we're at that stage of our business where we've been able to arrive at significant depth in India. Now we are aggressively focusing on the States primarily as a market. Let's open overall global itself. So this is our first move towards like a first campaign that's going live internationally, which will give us visibility on how many customers we can attract.
So you guesstimate the number. What's this?
I think we should have at least maybe 150 to 200 people in the next 48 hours.
कितना?
150.
अंडर प्ले कर रहे नहीं?
I mean,
पता नहीं. I mean, we don't have visibility of how those trends actually work. We're also an Indian. Are we positioned as an Indian company?
yes, कलकत्ता लिखा हुआ है.
But we should change that.
क्या है अभी तक का नंबर्स?
ये हम क्यों बताएं? उससे तुम एंकर हो जाएगा उससे. और तुमको बस एक डेटा दे सकते हैं which will help you for think. The best number that they've gotten in 48 hours is 1100 customer. 1100 customer best data है.
किसका है ये?
याद क्या है तुमको फिर?
कैसे
In the first 48 hours, how much do you think we will be able to like sell?
Last 200. 200 customer.
दोनों बस.
अभिनव का भी 200 customer है.
There is also like 16 lakhs, you are also 16 lakhs, and Divyanshu at 35 lakhs.
हमको लग रहा है हमारा नंबर ज़्यादा देगी क्या?
सबका नंबर लेना काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग था. ये मैं एक्चुअली काफ़ी सारे टाइप्स में करता हूँ. यूजुअली बताओ क्या नंबर पहुँचेंगे, कैसा पहुँचेंगे, कोई भी सेल हो रहा है बताओ, सबसे पूछते हैं क्या नंबर. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ फन थिंग. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट गेमिफाइड इन इट सेंस दैट एवरीवन's trying to guesstimate it out. The interesting thing for the AppSumo number is that no one has any data point कि क्या हो सकता है, because in the past when we are doing any kind of sales there's some kind of visibility on, okay, we can look at our lead pool, we can look at what our conversion metrics in previous sales have been and then come to an estimation accordingly. But AppSumo तो हम जानते ही नहीं है क्या है. तो एक arbitrary number था, that the leading number we just had, that 1100 sales was their best one. Abhinav Maz, now they've been doing this for a while with TagMango, so उनका number काफ़ी, they'll be like, okay, let's reach at, if this is the number that we reach, then we're good enough. It's a good start for us. And Adya is I love Adya because she is like this always let's do it kind of person. So she had a pretty aggressive number. I'm like, वो लोग किए तो हम लोग तो आराम से कर लेंगे. उसका attitude हमेशा ही वैसा है.
I know that the number is 1100 in terms of their best sales that they have done in 48 hours, and because we have a record of always doing something groundbreaking. So 1500 तो कर लेने चाहिए अपन को minimum. Of course, next time when AppSumo gives their numbers, TagMango का highest.
ये हुआ ना बात. कॉन्फिडेंस तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. हम लोग क्या 200-500 नंबर दिया, हमारे ऊपर ही कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. आप जब कोई ऐसा
TagMango stands, what we are doing, the mission is that we want to solve financial independence for people at large, and we feel like the internet is the way to solve for financial independence itself. And so we wanted a name that reflects that. दो महीना लोग ऐसे लगा ना, इसलिए ऐसे PR शुरू करते हैं. So tag is a representation of like share, comment, tag, is a representation of the social media and the internet world, which covers our mission. And Mango stands for
Ordinary arm, right?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Arm, ordinary people.
Correct. It's the Mango people. It's the Aam Aadmi. So solving for financial independence using the internet for the common man.
Abhi ho raha hai 3, we just got out of a content meeting for the vlog and the whole content plan that we are trying to guide you to. 3:30-4 बजे हमारा होगा review meeting for AppSumo. We'll test everything out कि सब एकदम मक्खन जैसे चल रहा है कि नहीं. And 6:30 is important. 6:30 is the launch for AppSumo. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be crazy. We're excited. Let's go.
अभी तक कोई push तो गया नहीं.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, what is pricing? Updates page doesn't mention about like
ये कौन पूछ रहा है?
someone in the AppSumo page.
Q&A questions.
Context, we just got done with our support meeting, wanted to figure that support systems are completely ready. We have at 5 p.m. we just run through the whole flow across the tech and overall content, and 6:30 is launch. 1.5 hours from now, we'll see what's gonna happen.
Tier 2 is $149.
तो 2 days of at your burns.
But Tier 4 is $409.
Tier 4 का purchase है तो $409 का purchase हुआ है.
It's a Tier 4 purchase.
It's a Tier 4 purchase. Alright, 1st of October at 6 p.m, 48 hours into the AppSumo launch. Let's see where the numbers are at. So we are currently at close to $4,000, about 28 paid customers we've gotten. थोड़ा हम distant है अपने actual prediction से, but we had no clue. There's no way to kind of build an analysis कि क्या response आ सकता है with respect to AppSumo. And this is just the beginning. AppSumo campaign will happen for the next 2 months. So 3rd and 4th week of October में हम ज़्यादा movement देखेंगे. But I think we're off to a good start. We've started to get a lot of questions. We started to get a lot of feedback as well. अब हम थोड़ा reiterate कर रहे हैं कि should we have a tier 5 altogether? And a good thing in terms of the trend and the data that we are getting is the average order value कि हर customer जो tier खरीद रहा है वो थोड़ा expensive side में ज़्यादा है हमारे AppSumo campaign में. So the overall value of transactions that we are getting is much higher. So close to doing $8,000 to $10,000 in terms of the campaign overall that we've done so far. I think ये तो beginning है. अभी तो we have more than 58 days left. So you'll continue to see what happens in AppSumo. The firsts are always special. So the first sale was also exceptionally special. हमारा pricing हम इस way में craft किए थे that we make the 4th tier, which is the most expensive one, that was I think $409. That is the specific one that people optimized for, and we're giving apps specifically in that one too. The first sale was the $409 sale, which was exceptional and amazing because we opened with a bang and we were able to optimize on something that we were ideally optimizing for. And just for context, abhi dollar chal raha hoga, I think 88, 89 rupees. So just for context, $409 would be close to 36, 37, 36,000-ish kind of Indian rupees. So that's great. The AppSumo part is a small part of the bigger plan, जो अब हम एक intentional international expansion plan कर रहे हैं Tag Mango, and we're primarily focused on US as the market for the same. So me and a team member of mine, Abhinav, you've already seen him. Both of us are flying to the States in the next 48 hours. In the US, we're there for approximately 2 weeks. वहाँ पे पहले हम जा रहे हैं Dallas. Dallas में we're there till the 10th of October. वहाँ पे एक event हो रहा है called Wit Summit. On the 10th of October, we're traveling to San Francisco. San Francisco में हो रहा है SF Tech Week. Then we are coming back to Dallas on the 13th for an event of a company called Go High Level. They're doing an event called Level Up Summit. And on the 16th, we're going to LA, Los Angeles. And in LA, we are currently at the stage of planning an event because LA Tech Week ho raha hai wahan pe, and we'll be back on the 18th, 20th morning. Diwali mein we'll be back to India. So that's the plan end to end for the US. The US expansion plan is on full-fledged. We're supremely excited for it. So let's make it happen. There is this big kind of belief and insane amounts of faith, almost illogical amounts of faith that I have in something that is bigger than me, that allows me to focus on only today. And everything that you've seen in this video, anything that you'll see in videos to come, I think that is a common thread that I want to share as a message for everyone, is that you need to believe in something that's beyond you, and you also need to believe in something that's in you. And that's going to be the anchor on the basis of which you live a full life. And that's the most important thing. Baki sab to noise hai.